Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make coffee soap. First, ensure you have all your ingredients and equipment ready. Safety is paramount when working with lye, so always wear protective eyewear and gloves. Make sure your workspace is well ventilated to prevent inhaling any strong fumes. This preparation ensures a smooth and safe soap-making experience for everyone. Next, precisely measure your oils, lye, and distilled water. Accuracy here is key for a balanced soap. Brew a strong batch of coffee and let it cool down entirely. This is crucial. If you desire an exfoliating soap, finely grind some coffee beans. These prepared ingredients form the foundation of your wonderful coffee soap. Hey everyone, if you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more great content. On another note, why not upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum? It's voice-controlled, self-emptying, and pet-friendly, making your home sparkle effortlessly. Check the description for the link and other amazing deals. Now, let's get back to the video. Now, with caution, slowly add the lye to the distilled water, stirring until it completely dissolves. Always add lye to water, never the other way around. Then, gently pour the lye solution into your measured oils. Blend these together using an immersion blender until the mixture thickens to a trace, resembling a thin pudding. Once your soap batter reaches trace, it's time to add the cooled coffee and your finely ground coffee for that signature scent and exfoliation. Stir these in thoroughly. Then, carefully pour the entire mixture into your prepared soap molds. Gently tap the molds on your counter a few times to eliminate any air bubbles, ensuring a smooth finish.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.